Today, you're going to get to learn all the ASL signs for the 12 days of Christmas.
We play along, come on and play along. We play along, come on and play along. We play along, and you can play along too.
Well, the 12 days of Christmas have lots of signs, and there's lots of birds, so we need to differentiate between all the birds in this song, all right? So just bear with me, and when I do a sign, you do a sign that's going to help you learn, all right? The first, so you can take that one and flip it around. The first day, this is like, for day, it's like the sun's going across the sky. The first day of Christmas, it's with a C hand going from your shoulder over. For true love, so put your fists together with your thumbs and kind of over your heart and bring your thumbs together like this, like you're making a little heart. My true love gave to me. This is a sign for give. If I'm giving you something, it would be out, but you gave to me a partridge. Now, partridge is a wild bird, so this is a sign for bird. But like I said, there's lots of birds in this song. So we're going to do the sign for wild. So you make a W and you're going to come off the side of your head. A partridge in a pear. So this is the sign for pear, where it's like the shape of the fruit because it's kind of pear shaped. Pear tree. Okay. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves. Now, a turtle dove is a very sweet bird, so we're going to do very gentle birds. So we're going to do the sign for sweet and bird. Okay, so 2 turtle doves. Okay. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French. So you're going to make the letter F. This is a sign for French. You're going to make the letter F and twist it. French hens. And a hen, this again, this sign for bird, but we'll do it down here because a little hen would be picking grain off the ground. You know, then you go back 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Okay. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling. So this is time for call. So the sounds coming out of your mouth. Calling birds. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5. Now, golden. So this is a sign for yellow, but we're going to, like, you're pointing to your earring, so that might be out of gold, so that's going to tell you that that's the color. So you're going to point to your, like, earring and then sign yellow. Golden rings. So it's like you put it on your ring. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese. Now we'll do this sign for geese, okay? So, because a goose has a long neck, and they're going to do that, right? And it's a laying, so you just kind of make another indicator that it's laying. 6 geese a laying. On the 7th day, it's going to be 7. We're going to do the same basic sign as geese, but it's swans. So we're going to put your hand here and then come out with all those feathers that are on there for their tail, because they have lots of beautiful feathers. So it would be 7 swans a-swimming. On the 8th day, it's going to be 8 maids. So this is, you're going to touch your chin and come down to your chest. This is a sign for lady or woman. Maids milking. It's like you're milking a cow. On the 9th day, it's going to be 9 ladies. We can do that same sign. Ladies dancing. Doesn't look like dancing. So you make a floor and like your feet are going woo. Okay. On the 10th day, it's going to be 10 Lord. Now, whereas this was lady, this is going to be man. So you're going to come from your head down to your chest. Lords a leaping. Sign for jump. Like this was dancing, remember? Well, leaping is you're going to put those 2 fingers down and jump up. Leaping. On the 11th day, it's 11 pipers piping. So this is the letter P, and you're going to move them forward like this, like people. This is a sign for people. Pipers piping. Then you're going to pretend like you're playing a pipe. On the 12th day, it's going to be 12, and we're going to do people again, drummers drumming. Like I said, there's lots of signs here, but go back and practice. You need to know your numbers and differentiate between all of these birds, but it's a fun song to sing. Now, we sing this every Christmas Eve, but what we do is we have cards and we just hand them out. So somebody's going to get a partridge in a pear tree and 2 turtle doves and 7 swans a swimming. We just hand them out random. And then as we're singing this song, that everybody gets their chance to sing their part. It's just like a little added fun thing to do. And then when you add the American Sign Language to it, even makes it more fun. Okay, so practice all the signs so that you'll be able to sing this song. And Merry Christmas.
Play, play.